Hello, I am Vytautas Vaitkus, Director of Rautakiria Kiosk Applications Competence Center. We are responsible for standardized business management systems implementation in Rautakiria Kiosk Division. Rautakiria Kiosk Division owns and manages more than 1,000 convenient retail shops in Finland, Baltic countries, Russia and Romania. Electronic Retail Solutions gives for us possibility to have centralized infrastructure with a localized process in several countries through secure and reliable data transfer infrastructure. Electronic Retail Solution was deployed on different POS hardware that suits .NET platform. One of the most exciting features of the system is a real-time sales and other data delivery to central database that allows stores have cost-effective network infrastructure and have data nearly online in head office for quick decisions. From company management side, using Electronic Retail Solutions, we have a possibility to implement uniform business management features like shift reporting, logistic operations, inventories, together with a local specific like fiscal printers or local payments system integration into Electronic Retail Solutions. We are very satisfied with the fruitful partnership with Electronica. Every day, together with Electronica team, we are creating and tuning business features that allows to us reach our targets. Thanks team!